young black girl, black skin, she so lovely. All my little homies in the hood, some of them thuggin'. But mother, for your standards, my head nappy, bitch, I love it.
What's up, y'all? I'm KADIJAH Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. So I recently moved into my own apartment, moved out at the age of 26 from the parents' house, and I want to share a room tour with you guys. So I don't have everything in here that I want in my room. Like, I need to put up some decor, and you guys can probably help me, you know, maybe tell me some places to look for some stuff. But yeah, I need to get some decor, but everything else looks pretty good. I was recently able to celebrate my 27th birthday in my own new spot, because y'all know what's going on, so you can't really go out like that. So turned up at the new place, and I've been here for like 5 months, going on 5 months now. So when I first moved, I pretty much had everything, but there was like one thing that I recently was able to update, and that was my mattress. I had to move with an older mattress that I had, and recently I was able to partner with Lull mattress. Out with the old and in with the new. So Lull is a high quality mattress that ships right to your front door. The setup was super easy, y'all. Like, I was able to put this bed together by myself. As you can see, they also sent me a mattress protector, which comes very handy. I had to pull out my big girl muscles, and I went to work with opening up this mattress. As I cut away at the plastic, it just instantly starts to inflate. So Lull does offer free shipping, and they give you up to 100 nights of trying out the mattress to see if you want to return it or not. But I'm gonna tell y'all, you ain't gonna want to return it because it's nice. It's the perfect combination of comfort and support, so I've really been enjoying my sleep now. Oh yeah, and this is a queen size Lull mattress. Be sure to check out the description box below so you can save $250 on your mattress. So welcome to my place of peace. So here is a quick overview of my room, really quick, and then I'm going to get into more details with everything. So this is the back entrance of my door once you have entered it, and then over here to the side is my vanity, and I got this vanity from Urban Outfitters. Y'all, I love this vanity so much. I'll link it below if you guys are looking for one. But yeah, this is where I sit and do my makeup and get ready for the day. I got makeup on here, perfume. Also on here I have my wax diffuser. I love to turn this on when I'm getting ready too, so my room can smell all good. Got this from Target. I think they have this particular vanity only in gold now, but yeah, Urban Outfitters has really nice furniture pieces. They are on the expensive side though. And so here is my vanity chair. I got this at a bargain store. I seen that acrylic on it and I was like, I gotta have it. So then over here in this corner is my full length easel mirror and my mannequin. So I got this mirror from the same bargain store, and I got it for a really good price. This mirror was like $40, and these types of mirrors are usually like $80 to $100. But anyways, here's my dress form mannequin as well. I got this in like high school from my dad, which I use this all the time when I'm sewing and designing clothes. Then I have over here a bookshelf, which I use to display my shoes. I think this bookshelf is originally from Target, but once again, I got it from the bargain store, and I just put all of my shoes on here. I like to display them in my room. And on top of that, I have a bunch of books that I have read. Well, like 2 of them I still need to finish, but yeah, some really good self-help books that, yeah, I would recommend. Then over here in this corner, I have my record player. Got this from my grandma. This is by Crosley. They do have some newer ones, but the newer ones are trash. But anyways, this also can play CDs, the radio, tapes. Like, this thing is the real deal. And your girl only got 1 record, Solange. I definitely need to re-up on some more records.
All in your ways, so you can't crumble.
And then over here along this windowsill, I have this candle, which is like an astrology horoscope type of candle. I got it for my birthday from one of my best friends, and I thought this whole idea of this candle was dope. So yeah, I really like it to display it. Then also beside that, I have some of my sunglasses set out. So that's basically everything along that side of the room. As you guys can see, I need to get some curtains. So yeah, let your girl know where some good curtains at. So moving along to the main centerpiece, my bed. Got my bedding from Target. They have a line called Opalhouse, and they have a lot of dope stuff within that line. I also like to keep this throw blanket across the corner of my bed. It's so cozy and fuzzy. I like to get warm and wrapped up in this. The actual bed frame of my bed is from Wayfair. If I can find it, I'll link it below. And then over here is where I keep one of my night lamps and my sewing stuff. So this is my brother's sewing machine, and then under that is my Singer serger. I also got this white table from Target. And then over here is my bathroom, and we're gonna get to that in a minute. Going on past that, along this little wall here is my dry erase board, where I like to give myself notes of things that I need to do. And then on past that, along this wall, is my closet, which we're not going to get into that. It's just a bunch of clothes in there, my towels, and a bunch of sewing stuff and some more junk. So heading back over to my bathroom, I think I did such a great job with decorating it, but I still want to get some art pieces for the wall. Starting over here is where I like to keep my hair products. I think this little shelf is from Target once again, but yeah, I keep all of my hair products right here on this. Then right beside of that is my hamper. I think I got the hamper from Home Goods or TJ Maxx, one of those. And my shower curtain, got this from Sears right when they were going out of business. I thought this shower curtain was so pretty. I love it so much. And then right above my toilet, I like to keep this tray with some poopery when you gotta go number 2, some feminine hygiene products, as well as this container that I keep wipes in. But I recently switched that out for a reed diffuser, so my bathroom can smell real good. And then down here I have my bathroom rug, which I got from Target, and it's also from the Opalhouse collection. Like I told y'all, their stuff is bomb. And here's me once again. I love the lighting in this bathroom. But anyways, moving along, I don't really have a lot of counter space in my bathroom, but you know, it's a good amount for me. And over to the right of my sink, I keep my skincare products and some lotion. And then to the left, I keep my toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, soap to wash my hands, and then this cute little plant that I got from Target, and some deodorant. So you know, like my hygiene type of stuff that I need every day when I get ready. And that pretty much sums up my bathroom. So that sums up my room tour. I also have LED lights under my bed, but I guess I have to show you guys that another time, because I'm definitely going to be doing a room makeover or like upgrade, so be on the lookout for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure you leave in the comments below some places for me to find some nice decor, because I need to get curtains, some, you know, pictures or paintings for the wall, also for my bathroom. Let me know in the comments some good places. I've been checking on Etsy, but let me know some more spots. Also, be sure to check out the description box if you are in the works of getting a new mattress. Lull discount code, check it out below. So that's pretty much it. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Turn on your post notifications so you'll instantly be notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.
Cause I show love to the people that's gon' show love to me. I'm a product of my city, I got buzz in my streets.